hope you're having a great day. Today, we are going to make a fun and creative fidget spinner. It's going to be so easy to make. Let's get started. Let's dive into our fun zone. Materials needed. We need a ruler. We need a pen or pencil. We need some scissors. We also need some markers if needed. We also need 2 pairs of paper. You can also make it in construction paper. Let's start. First, let's grab 1 piece of paper, a pen, and a ruler. Let's measure 7.7 centimeters square. Now I have measured it. Now let's cut it into square pieces. We need 22 pieces like this. Now let's start folding them. Let's take 1 square piece and keep the others aside. Let's fold it in half, like this. Crease it with your fingers. Now fold the other side just like that. Now let's open it up. Now let's take 1 point of the piece and then bend it to the middle, fold in the paper. Take the end and put it right in the middle where it's folded. Crease it with your fingers. Do the same in the other 3 sides. After we have a square that's folded like this, now let's put it aside and then take 1 corner and fold it like this. Fold it like a V, like that. Like that. Take your corner and fold it like that. Do the same with the other side. Now you have it like this. Now let's fold the bottom part upwards like this. And we need to see the top part like this. Like that. Crease it with your fingers. After we have done that, now let's take 1 side of the piece that is left over and fold it inwards, facing that piece. Do the same with the other side. Now we have a cute little piece. Now let's hold it like this and then take the bottom part and push it upwards and in. Push it down. And then put these 2 parts together. Now fold them tight. Now we have a piece like this. Let's do the same piece with the other pieces of paper. Now we have some pieces like these. Now we can color it however pattern you like. I'm going to choose pink and purple as my pattern colors. You can put a paper underneath the piece so it doesn't stain anything. the whole thing pink in both sides. Or you can only use one color in both sides. I have colored the whole thing pink. Now I'm going to do my pattern in the purple marker. I'm going to color the tip, and I'm going to color this part. I have done it like this. Now I'm going to do the same thing in my other piece. Now I have colored both of them like this one. Now I'm going to do the purple design. Now let's do more pieces just like these. Now I have 22 pieces like these. Now let's put them together. Let's take one piece and keep the others aside. Now let's take two pieces of that piece. Now let's connect them together. Let's take this part and let's take this part of each one. Now let's take the part with two sides and poke them in these two holes right here. Poke the two parts into the two holes like that. Push it slowly in like that. Now let's take another one and poke it in as well. Slowly, like that. Now let's do that same part with all the pieces. Now let's shape it. Let's put more pieces in it and shape it as a circular object. Now let's take another one and do it at the same pieces. Let's do the last piece. Now we have all of them like that. Now let's connect this end and this end together. Let's slowly take them like that and then connect them in the holes. Now we have a circular piece. Now let's just push them slowly together, gently, and then now we have a cute and adorable spinner. Woo! 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 I have made a cute and adorable spinner. You can make your own designs as well. I hope you like my spinner. Thank you. See you. Bye. Woo! Woo!